Hello everyone. 皆さんこんにちは. Today I'm at the National Gallery of Singapore. I'm in one of the exhibit rooms here. Look at it is so artistic and so colorful and so bright. It's a Catman or something. And look at this colorful sofa. What a film, man. Wow. It's nice. So you wonder why these creatures are moving. They're actually like part of the animation for the sea. So this is some kind of like, I'm not sure. Looks like a little dolphin, a big dolphin. And the one over there, a little one. Alright, there's some kind of cafe here. Oh, Padang Atrium. Let's check out. Press here for the doorbell. Hey, that's actually the functional doorbell. So do you live in a HDB? 77% of Singaporeans live in iconic HDB like this. Push the button if you like. But no ice cream. Singaporeans used to live in kampongs. Alright. Oh, that's nice, the drawing the moon. Padang Cinema. And over there, one more. I think we better get up. I don't think there's thing to see here, man. Wow, National Gallery. Very intricate, very well detailed. Very cool view. This is level 1. And I'm going up to level 3. Explore the UOB Southeast Asian galleries. So a lot of art pieces right here. The art lovers will definitely love it. And how come I'm the only person here? Feels a bit eerie. But the uncle is in front. He's sitting down. That's a volcano painting, right? Look at this, man. The unknown manuscript. I'm not sure what language they are writing here. Egyptian. Look at those weapons. You know, upstairs, the people hearing the court hearings or something will sit there while paintings. Kind of like these wooden chairs. Oh, that's 7 to 10. Gallery 6 to 10. Wow, we have more art pieces here. The one in the center look like Michael Jackson. Actually, no, right? All this was done in 1950s. Seriously. Defend the country, defend the honor. And a big one here. This is so big size. Watching the sunrise. Alright, we have more artwork piece here. Very interesting, but what's most interesting, I think, is the stand here. It's either the witness stand or the accused stand, you know. Accused means somebody who did the offense, then must be standing there, or the witness who are standing there to give their statement. No, they have closer. So one person can fit inside. It's scary. Oh. Okay, it seems like war exhibits. I mean, the Jew exhibits in the cell. that? What kind of words is this? Cambodia. Okay. Citizenship. There's a Singtel Special Exhibition Gallery. Let's check it out. The only thing I like about this part, there's auto, the door is auto. They call it the City Hall Wing East to Level 3. Free admission to exhibition. Inside City Hall Gallery now. Look at those paperwork on top. Turn the radio knob to tune in. Not sure, very red. A lot of photos. There's even a camera here. Designing former Supreme Court. The lightings and photos. We'll come and explore this, the Rose Garden Gallery. In the meantime, there's one more Supreme Court wing. Wow. Garden Mall, let's go. Alright, UOB Southeast Asia Gallery. Go. To love Malaysia is to know Malaysia. This one is voodoo. Basketball is bingo. The red color cloth. This is a final set of galleries, UOB galleries. Interesting. Hey, there's scary figures in front. Wow. This is scary.
Can't sing the other way. It's in the city hall. But
Oh, okay, I'm leaving soon.
Yeah.
Okay.
So go down to 3, go across the link bridge.
Yes. Link and then just.
Maybe I need some place and after.